Hi, this is Mark from Love on Rails, and with me today is Jessie, my business partner. She's actually behind the camera, so you're not going to see her today, although she might get a hand in there to wave to you. But Love on Rails, that is, builds right on railroads, mostly for people's backyards, but it doesn't have to be in your backyards. These railroads are 1/8 scale, so the track distance is 7.5 inches between the rails. So it's a train that you can ride on but not ride in, and we'll show you some more of that in just a little bit. But for today we're going to be talking about cutting some angles, the proper way to cut angles, not just simple angles but also compound angles, and we'll be doing that here in this video. Okay, so today we're going to show how to do a compound miter joint. Now, why would you want to do a compound miter joint? Well, that is when two boards have an angle like this, plus they also have an angle like that. It's an angle on two different dimensions, and so that's called a compound miter joint. And what you end up with is a joint like this, where the seam is nice and tight for both angles. So this not only bends at 30 degrees, but it bends down at 45 degrees. So how we did this is cut this at 22.5 and this at 22.5 degrees, because together they make 45 degrees. And then we also cut this at 15 degrees as well as this at 15 degrees, because when you put them together that makes a 30-degree bend. And that's how you cut a compound miter joint. You have to cut half of those angles from both boards. Okay, now to set up this compound miter cut, first thing we want to do is set the table angle. That is using this down here. We want to set it to 22.5 for our 45-degree angle. So 20, right there at 22.5, locks into place. And then the other thing we want to do is set this angle here, the blade angle. The blade angle is going to go 15 degrees because our total angle there is going to be 30. So we tighten that down, and now the board is ready to cut at both angles.